Hey, it's me, Steven, and I'm here at home. I thought I'd make something that the boys find. It's one of their favorite meals, actually. It's an old family recipe that I got a long time ago. My mom used to make it for me, and now I'm going to show you how to make it for your kids. Ready? So, right now I've got a skillet going. Gonna chop up some onions, put them in the pan, and get them nice and caramelized, basically. And then I'm gonna put some stuff in it. What we're making today is franks and beans that we're gonna eat over a bed of rice, white rice. Fantastic! It's a perfect meal for the kids. Love it. Um, I pretty much love it myself. So I'm hoping that everyone gets to enjoy it as much as we do. And I'm going to share it with you guys right now. Let's go. What I'm here doing now is I'm cutting up an onion. Slice it up. Just a couple of slices. Don't need a whole heck of a lot. I've taken some hot dogs, chopped them up. Done that already, a little prep ahead. So we're all ready to go. We're gonna put this in the pan. Not right now. So we got some onions chopped. I'm gonna throw them in the pan. So I'm gonna let that cook a little bit, and we're gonna come back and check on it. The onions are getting a nice and glazed look on them. It's been about 5 minutes or so. I'm gonna let them cook up a little longer. I'm gonna turn the flame down just a tad, and I'm gonna have them cook a little bit longer. So the onions are good and cooked. Probably a little bit too cooked for me, but they're okay. So the next step, I'm gonna put in cans of baked beans. I got two 1 pound cans. Now the kind I like, there's a variety of different flavors of baked beans you can get. I'm not going to show you the brand. It's just a regular brand, actually store brand baked beans. These are the bacon bits and brown sugar. I prefer the brown sugar stuff. You can get vegetarian beans as well. Vegetarians are good too, for those of you who aren't big on meat. You know we're about to put some hot dog today, so now there's some extra seasoning stuff you want to put in your franks and beans. I'm going to show you what that is right now. Little brown sugar helps the medicine go down. Put a little, about a tablespoon or two of brown sugar. That's about a tablespoon right there. Just stir that in. Number 2, ketchup. Some ketchup. Again, about a tablespoon or two of that. That's about a tablespoon and a half right there. And of course, we can't forget the Lowry seasoning salt. Salt makes everything better. About a half a teaspoon of Lowry's. I can get it out. There we go. Now we're going to stir that in. Nice and good. Remember, like I said, I added a little bit of water to help give it an extra little bit of gravy. Not a lot of water, like a quarter of a cup of water added to the 2 cans of beans. All right. Now we're going to add our hot dogs that are chopped up. Here they go. And they're in there. Gotta stir them in though. I can't just leave them like that. I gotta put a lot of hot dogs in here because these guys will eat out the hot dogs and leave me with just the beans. Now, don't mind me, I love beans. I can eat them with some rice all day, every day. Because that's part of my Jamaican thing. Rice and beans. So I can eat that. So, stir this up. And we're going to bring it to a boil. That should take a few minutes. Turn up the heat. Because me like to turn the heat up. The heat is up. So that's cooking. Alright. Let's move on to the rice. I don't know if you can see, but right here, I got a rice cooker. But I'm not into those kind of things. I'm so old-fashioned. I don't even know how to use the thing. I usually make my rice the old-fashioned way. Just a pot of water, a little bit of butter, a little bit of salt, bada bing, bada boom. Let's make the rice up. That's. I don't think I need to show you how to make some rice, right? We're all pretty good on that. Boil some water, throw the rice in, cook it up. I'll show you that in a second. So, we are back, right? Friends and beans, pretty much done. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. Nice and well cooked. Okay, see the French bubbling up. So that's done. You can turn that off. The rice. Here's my rice pan right here. Rice pot container. Not my rice pot. And the rice is done. Nice and fluffy. Fluffy white rice, that's the way I like it. That's done. So we can turn that off. So, all that's left is the taste test. I'm going to show you that in the fusion. Should I wait for Steven? Because he's coming home. He's the one actually going to make this for him. He's home from school for the winter break. So, stand by. Maybe we can get...
So I just had the French and beans that my dad made. What? Sorry.
That was not funny.
That's what I'm laughing about the whole time I'm sitting here. I'm like, I could do this. Are you still recording?
Yes.
Sorry.
Start over.
Alright. So I just had the French and beans that my dad made. As you can see, I cleaned the plate. It was finger looking good. It was good. I enjoyed it. It was sweet. It was nice. Very comforting food to have. So 10 out of 10.
And you are also an expert at making it yourself, right?
Yes. It was. Are you asking it compared to mine?
Yeah.
I like mine. Yours is good too. So, it was good. I enjoyed it.
Oh, thank you for your report.
The Shields report on food.
Hiya.